Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video in the channel. My name is Dan from Cryptocurrencies, and thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing video. Guys, right away, we'll be bringing you guys a quick update about the price action of Polkadot, because I think that I'm seeing something very interesting. Because if I zoom in a little bit here, I will be right away going into the content, and if you of course enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to also right away smash up these likes, guys. Can we reach the 500 likes? That will be of course very amazing if we can do so. But guys, as you can see right now in the front of your screen, I have enabled the MACD and flipped it over to the daily candle. So what you can see over here, I will first go into what we are seeing right now, because we are right now having this bullish crossover, just like we are having currently with Bitcoin, also currently having with Polkadot. So Polkadot was falling a little bit here. You can see it was of course going sideways, it was consolidating, and people were freaking out over here, but we were only accumulating, because this is looking like an accumulation zone. So what is Polkadot doing right now, you're maybe wondering, and in my opinion, Polkadot is making itself ready for an insane rally up here. And I will be just showing you quickly the significance of the daily MACD bullish crossover. You can see over here, we had this bullish crossover over here, and it is exactly over here. So here we had the bullish crossover on the daily at this arrow, and of course we had multiple ones. Here we had another one, and it was approximately over here. So you can see the significance right away in the chart. So here we had a bullish crossover, here we had a bullish crossover, and he right away started this uptrend, of course. So in my opinion, it is looking very bullish, and since then, of course, we had this this bearish crossover, but we did not saw the bullish crossover anytime soon anymore. But right now, we are once again having one on the daily time frame. So this is first of all looking very good in my opinion, and this can definitely also be very beneficial for the price action of Polkadot. And also, if I zoom in a little bit of the lower time frames, guys, probably you know it already because you are searching for a Polkadot video or you're subscribed to the channel. And we're doing every single day a live stream, and of course updating you guys about the current price action of Polkadot. But what you're currently seeing here is, of course, earlier today, we were breaking through the critical all-time high, critical resistance level. We finally smashed through it, and what are we looking for right now? Because it's not really clearly a pattern that is right now unfolding, but it is looking very bullish what we are having currently for the price action of Polkadot. Because also, if I enable the 250-day moving average, you can see that we are also having a golden cross on the 4-hour. And also, I can go back into the previous price action. If we only had this golden cross once, and since then, yeah, of course, all what happened is history. But right now, of course, we first had this death cross. But since just a couple hours ago, just a few hours ago, approximately 4 hours ago, we had a bullish crossover once again here. So a golden cross for the price action of Polkadot, breaking through the all-time high, finding support at the previous all-time high, not clearly found support on it, not clearly retested it. So of course, if we're going to retest it, it will be only showing more and more significance. But guys, I've never seen such a bullish chart yet. This is looking very good, and this, of course, the US dollar evaluation is looking very good for the Polkadot price. But once I'm going to the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation, is even looking better. And I'm saying this because if I zoom out, if I go to the daily candles, guys, this is extremely bullish for me. So once Polkadot was launched, of course, it had a huge spike to the upside compared to Bitcoin, but then of course decreased in valuation, tried it another time, got rejected, but then of course broke through. So what you do want to be seeing here, if you're breaking through such a critical level of resistance, you want to be seeing a retest. So what we are right now having here is of course also a successful retest for the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin valuation, and this is my reason also to believe that we are definitely going to bounce further. And of course we are just still struggling to take out this previous high, but this will just be a matter of time till we're going to smash through this high, in my opinion, because right now we are ready for the new uptrend. And guys, quickly want to give this update. It's not really, I'm not giving a price target or so, but I'm just telling you guys right now that we are looking very good in the charts, and it's probably looking like that we're heading towards higher levels for the Polkadot price action. And maybe you're wondering, but Cryptocurrencies, what is your prediction for by the end of the month here? Because currently we're sitting around $44, and I do think by the end of the month we can maybe see a Polkadot sitting around the $80. So of course maybe you think I'm very bullish here, but I don't think it. I do think it's very likely to reach these $80 by the end of the month here. So guys, I want to update you real quickly. I am hugely exposed to Polkadot as well here, so quickly giving an update for all the holders. And if you're not exposed to Polkadot yet here, I should definitely get exposed right now here. So we'll be doing another live stream tomorrow once again, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash up these likes real quickly, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.